If you are watching this video right now, it means you've probably been trading for a while, but you are not yet a profitable crypto trader, and you might have been wondering why. Well, in this video, I'll be breaking down the 10 reasons why you are probably not a profitable crypto trader, and at the end of this video, you'll be able to see for yourself what's holding you back. So whether you're a beginner or you've been trading crypto for a while, understanding these reasons will really help you. So before I go into these 10 reasons, please like this video and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you. Now let's get into the video. Now the first reason why you are probably not a profitable crypto trader yet is overtrading. Now overtrading is something that is too common among new traders. Now some people think that if you are not yet taking 10 trades or even 20 trades in a day or even in a week, then you've not traded anything. Like why? This is a mistake that will make you lose all your money very fast in trading. And most times there are two reasons why people overtrade. Now, the first reason why people overtrade is because they keep making consistent wins. Now, let me give you an example. Now, for example, let's take someone that is taking a trade and maybe the person has won 3 consecutive trades in a day. Now, that's good enough. But because that person has won 3 consecutive trades, he will want to continue trading, thinking that he will continue to win trades like that forever. But that is not how it is. And when this person becomes too confident, he can lose a lot of money from just one single trade. So that's one reason why a lot of people try to overtrade, because they think they are winning and they think that if they continue like that, they will keep winning forever. It doesn't happen like that. One trade can make you lose all your money in total. Now, the second reason why people overtrade is the desire to recover losses quickly. Now, for example, someone will take a trade right now and maybe they will win the trade, and maybe on the second trade for that day, the person will lose his or her money. Now, this person will want to continue to trade to try and recover the loss, but most times, this often result in even more losses. Now, this is called revenge trading. Revenge trading means that you are trying to revenge your loss. That's the meaning. And when you try to do this, your emotions will start to kick in. I've experienced this before, and I'm sure you've also experienced this before. So please stop overtrading. And you also need to know that quality over quantity is very important when it comes to trading, and always wait for high probability setups that align with your strategy instead of jumping into every price movement. Again, stop overtrading. Now, the second reason why you are probably not profitable right now is lack of market analysis. Now, many traders, especially people who are new to trading, they fail to conduct proper market analysis before entering their trades. Now, this market analysis involves 2 aspects. Now, the first one is technical analysis. Now, technical analysis is the type of market analysis that deals with understanding price patterns, support and resistance levels, indicators, chart patterns, and so on. Now, without these skills, you are essentially trading blindly. And you need to really understand price action and even interpret what the charts are telling you so that you can be able to trade very well. Now, the second aspect of market analysis is fundamental analysis. Now, this is the type of market analysis that deals with staying informed about market news, project development, and the overall market sentiment. Now, in crypto, this means understanding factors like partnerships, regulatory news, and even market trends that can affect price movement. Now, both technical analysis and fundamental analysis are very important. Even though technical analysis is more important for day traders, but I still advise that you learn both. And to improve your market analysis, I will advise that you develop a systematic approach to analyzing your charts. I also advise that you stay updated with reliable crypto news sources. And also, please make sure you are practicing how to identify key support and resistance levels, or maybe supply and demand levels, whichever way you want to call it. And also learn to read market indicators and keep track of major market events that can affect price movement. And in case you want to learn technical analysis, I have a playlist for that on my YouTube channel. I'll put the link to that playlist in the description below. Now, the third reason why you are probably not profitable right now is poor time management. Now, poor time management in trading means you are not creating enough time for trading, and there are so many ways this can affect you. Now, the first way is that trying to trade during work hours or even when you are busy with other tasks can lead to missed opportunities or even delayed reactions to market movement. And even when you are distracted, you might not be able to notice important price changes on the chart. Now, another aspect of poor time management is when you are not allocating specific hours or time for market analysis and trade planning. Now, without dedicated time for market analysis, you might end up making rushed, impulsive decisions based on incomplete up-to-date information on your analysis. And to improve your time management in trading, we advise that you set specific trading hours. I also advise that you create a daily routine that includes time for market analysis and trade planning, and also avoid multitasking during active trading sessions. And remember that successful trading requires your full attention, whether you like it or not. It's better to trade for shorter periods with complete focus time than to trade for longer hours with constant distractions. I hope you get that. Now, the fourth reason why you are probably not profitable right now is poor psychology management. Now, trading psychology is not just about controlling your emotions. It's about developing the right trading mindset. Now, this includes handling losses the right way, maintaining discipline during your winning streaks, and staying focused even when your profits are going down. Now, one of the biggest psychological challenges traders face is the tendency to let their emotions control them. Now, when you are in a trade, it's easy for you to become emotionally attached to your trade, and your emotions can thereby lead you to make wrong decisions like revenge trading after you make losses. That is when you are trying to immediately recover your losses by taking risky trades, or leading to fear of missing out. That is when you are entering trades simply because you don't want to miss potential profits. Now, all of this is a poor psychology management. And another way through which poor psychology management can hinder you from becoming a profitable trader is analysis paralysis. Now, I'll explain what this means. Now, analysis paralysis means overthinking your analysis to the point where you miss good trading opportunities. Now, let me also explain more. Now, for example, let's assume you want to take a trade right now and maybe you've done your analysis. Now, instead of you going ahead to take that trade after seeing a good entry signal from your strategy, some people will start overthinking it with things like, oh, will this trade even go to my direction, or is this my analysis even correct? And they continue to doubt and overthink their strategy. And just like that, the trade will just go their way and they will miss out on that profit just because they were overthinking. Now, if you've experienced this before, you should know that it is not good at all. Just have a good strategy that you trust and use it once you have a good entry signal. And to develop a better trading psychology, you need to create and stick to a detailed trading plan. You also need to accept losses as part of trading and learn from them and move on instead of fearing losses. And also, very, very important, remember to take regular breaks from trading. Don't try to be trading every day. Always make sure you are taking breaks. And remember that successful trading is 80% psychology and 20% strategy. You can have the best trading strategy in the world, but without proper psychological management, you will still struggle to be a consistent, profitable trader. Now, the fifth reason why you are probably not a profitable trader right now is aiming for unrealistic profits. Now, one common mistake among traders is setting unrealistic profit expectations. Now, many beginners always dream of turning small capital into huge profit overnight, or even in a short period of time, or they even expect to make things like 50% profit, 100% profit consistently on every trade. It doesn't happen like that. Now, this unrealistic mindset can lead to several problems like taking excessive risk to achieve high profit, or maybe it can lead you to holding your trades for too long because you want to make more profit than your target. And it can also lead to ignoring good opportunities because the potential profits are small. So instead of doing that, always focus on setting realistic and achievable profit targets based on market conditions and your trading strategy. And remember that even if you are making consistent profit or even consistent small profits, they can compound over time and become bigger profit later on. Now, before I go ahead to number 6, I just want to say that 69% of you who are watching my videos right now have not subscribed to my YouTube channel. So please, if you are watching this video up to this point, I would really, really like it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you so much. Now, the sixth reason why you are probably not profitable right now is poor risk management. Now, poor risk management is a major reason why many traders fail to become profitable. Now, it involves several important aspects that can destroy your trading account if you don't handle them properly. Now, the first one is not using stop losses. Now, you see, trading without stop losses is extremely dangerous and can lead to devastating losses. Though there are some people that always say that they prefer not to set stop loss because of the fear of making a loss. Now, whenever people say this to me, there's this one story I share with them. Now, you can see the screenshot on the screen right now. This trade was a trade I took some weeks ago. Now, from what you can see on the screen, don't you think that I would have lost all my money on this single trade just because I did set stop loss? So you see that it is always good to set stop loss, whether you are confident or not. And another poor risk management skill is risking too much on a trade. Now, many traders risk a large percentage of their account on single trades. See, even if you are confident about a trade, risking more than you can afford to lose can be very dangerous. Now, another poor risk management skill is using really high leverage for futures trading. Now, if you're a futures trader, you should understand this. Leverage can help you to make more money, and at the same time, leverage can help you to lose all your money in a single trade. So be very, very careful. And in case you want to understand how exactly leverage works, I have a video on that. The link to that video will be in the description below, so make sure you check it out. Now, to implement proper risk management, you should always use stop losses on your trade, always maintain consistent position sizes, and always calculate your risk to reward ratio before you enter any trade. And always remember that successful trading is not just about being right all the time. It's about you managing your risk whenever you are wrong. I hope you get it. Now, the seventh reason why you are probably not profitable right now is not journaling your trades. Now, a lot of new traders these days just enter trades without any form of record or any form of data. Now, many traders don't journal their trades, and this is really, really bad. Now, if you're a beginner in crypto trading, you need to be recording all your trades because that's the only way you can know what you are doing right and what you are doing wrong. And by journaling your trades or even recording your trades, you get to track your entry and your exit point on every trade. You get to track your position sizes, the market conditions, and even the emotional state before you entered the trade. So for example, by journaling your trades, you might notice that your win rate increases during certain market conditions, or that you perform better in trading market rather than ranging market. All of these things are things that you can know when you start tracking or journaling your trades. But without any proper documentation, these patterns remain hidden and you can't know. And there's no way you'll be able to know what you are doing right or what you are doing wrong. And most importantly, data tells you if you are really performing well or if you are just getting lucky from your trades. I hope you get it. Now, the eighth reason why you are probably not profitable right now is changing strategies every day. Now, you can understand how to trade, but when you keep changing your trading strategies every day, it becomes very hard for you to become profitable. I've come across people who, when they try a strategy once and it doesn't work out for them, they just leave it and they go find another trading strategy. That's very wrong. If you're that kind of person, you need to really stop this. Otherwise, you'll be out of strategies to try out very soon. So instead of changing strategies every day, here's what you should do. Now, whenever you see a new trading strategy, maybe from a YouTube video or maybe from a course or maybe from your mentor, try it out in different market conditions and with different trading pairs. Don't just try it with one trading pair or one market condition and expect it to become the best strategy just like that. No, it doesn't happen like that. Some trading strategies work under certain market conditions and even with certain trading pairs. So the next time when you get a strategy and you want to try it out, focus on understanding what market condition it is best for and what trading pairs you can use them for. And then you can now have different strategies for different market conditions. And that way you will avoid changing your strategies every day. Now, the ninth reason why you are probably not a profitable trader right now is inadequate capital. Now, having inadequate capital is a significant barrier to becoming a profitable trader, and I know this because when you start trading with too little amount of money, it can create so many challenges. Now, the first challenge you will get from inadequate capital is that small account sizes can limit your ability to take proper position sizes. And if your capital is too small, your potential profit will be very small compared to the effort you are putting into trading. There are so many people out there that they are putting so much effort into trading, but because the capital is very small, they will not be able to see any tangible profit. And the second challenge you will face is that inadequate capital can force you to overtrade or even take higher risk just to make sure you are making meaningful profit. And this can lead to poor decision making and can even result in significant losses for you. And the third challenge is that small accounts are more vulnerable to market fluctuations and losses. Now, when you start making consecutive losses, it can severely impact your trading capital and it can make it difficult for you to recover and continue trading. So if you don't have enough capital right now, try getting more capital for yourself, but make sure you are already making consistent profit before you start looking for more capital. Now, the 10th reason why you're probably not profitable right now is that you have no form of learning. Now, whether you like it or not, there's no way you are going to become a profitable trader if you don't take time to learn. Now, even if it's not crypto trading, there's no way you can get better at anything if you don't create time to learn and master that thing. Now, some of you just open your trading app and start guessing the direction of a coin, hoping that it will go your way. It doesn't happen like that. Some people think that because they are following a profitable trader, they will also become profitable automatically. No, it doesn't happen like that at all. You need to learn, and then you need to practice whatever you are learning, and then you need to master it so well to become a profitable trader. Now, I've come across people who think they can somehow ignore the learning process and just do trial and error to become profitable, but it's not possible. To become a profitable crypto trader, you need to get a mentor, follow traders who inspire you and learn from them, or maybe get a very good crypto trading course and create time to learn. And if you need a good crypto trading course, you can register for the complete crypto trading course for beginners, where you'll be learning everything you need to become a profitable crypto trader. Now, in that course, you're going to be learning fundamental analysis, technical analysis, price action, candlestick patterns, how to set your stop loss and your take profit, how to do spot trading, how to do futures trading, and you also be learning risk management, and you also learn how to generate signals by yourself. You will learn basically everything you need to become a profitable crypto trader. Now, the link to register for the course will be in the description below, or you check the link in the pinned comment of this video. So there you have it. These are the 10 reasons why you might not be profitable, and understanding and addressing these factors is very important for transforming your trading profit. So I will advise you to take some time to evaluate your trading approach against each of these points I've mentioned in this video, and see the ones that are affecting you and make the right changes, because whatever challenges you are facing, making the right adjustments could be the difference. And here's a bonus tip before I go. Start implementing these changes gradually. You can pick 1 or 2 areas I've talked about, focus on them first, master them, and then move on to the other ones. And this systematic approach will really help you to build a more profitable trading strategy. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can see more of my videos. And don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section below with your thoughts, or if you have any questions, you can put them below. I'll be replying to every comment or every question I get. And in case you want to learn how to trade trading like a business, click on the video showing right here. And in case you want to see how to learn crypto trading and become profitable very fast as a beginner, click on the video showing right here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.